Hey, this is Dilby. Check out my new course for FaderPro. Join me in the studio as I take you through my production process of creating a deep house track. In this course, I'm going to show you how I go about making a club-ready deep house record, all the way from an initial idea through to the final product, ready to unleash on the dance floor. I'm going to show you how having a vision or idea at the start can streamline the production process and make it quicker and easier to get results. If you're a beginner, this course is going to help to demystify the production process and show you that you don't need anything fancy to make a great record. For intermediate and advanced producers, you'll see how I use productivity and workflow hacks to write music quickly, as well as plenty of technical tips and tricks along the way. For me, the most exciting part of writing a record is getting into that flow state where it feels like the music is just writing itself. And a lot of my workflow stuff is designed to keep me in that zone as long as possible. Something I wish I learned sooner is that everyone has their own journey. Some people will start to release music or find success sooner than others, and that's okay. So just learn to enjoy the process. There's no rush, but if you keep pushing, it'll happen.